My job includes a vast array of finance tasks, including forecasting, quoting, reporting, and analyzing figures. The first moment of my career that I'll never forget is the first day on the job. This was my first official job out of school, and I was super nervous. As soon as I got to my desk, though, I was ready to rock and roll. I remember Laurent giving a welcome speech. This was a new chapter, and it began for the company. My family inspires me in my work every day, especially my parents and my wife. My parents are both teachers and instilled both work ethic and perseverance into my brothers and I since we were young. You miss 100% of the shots that you don't take, by Wayne Gretzky. I would have loved to invented Tesla, as electric vehicles are up and coming and the future of cars. 5 o'clock somewhere by Jimmy Buffett. Margaritaville, baby.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
The movie that I love is The Sandlot.
You're killing me, Smalls.
Prince Charming. I love polar bears. To Kill a Mockingbird. In that story, Atticus Finch really stood up for his values, and that's what I try to stand up for as well in everyday life. Australia, the land down under. I love to play volleyball, and I'm a huge Wisconsin sports fan. All about the Packers, Brewers, Bucks, and Badgers. Determined. Diverse organization, a profitable company, quality products, and a growing business. An Intecher to me is a hard worker who shows up to work every day with a positive attitude and ready to add value to the company. Intech will take care of all our customers' needs and wants. We'll go above and beyond in order to satisfy the customer. This includes everyone at Intech, from sales to production.